Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet is a smart move for better control and security. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't have the Coinbase wallet app, download it from your app store and create or import your wallet. This is crucial because it's where your AVAX will end up. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on the web or mobile app. Head over to the Assets tab and find Avalanche, AVAX, in your portfolio. It's usually listed under your holdings. Click on it to select. Step 2. Once you're on the AVAX page, look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is the address from your Coinbase wallet. To get that, open your Coinbase wallet app, go to the AVAX asset, and copy the wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Typos here could mean lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so check the estimated fees before confirming. It's always a good idea to start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Make sure the address, amount, and fees look correct, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed, which usually takes a few minutes on the Avalanche network. And there you have it. Your AVAX should now be in your Coinbase wallet. In 2025, crypto interfaces might evolve, so always keep your apps updated. If you run into any issues, Coinbase has great support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.